My name is Monica. I've just attended today disability workshop. I've learned from here that there's more awareness of disability, to how to cooperate with disabled people, and how to cooperate with them, especially in South Asian community, because they don't have more awareness. And they can. We need to be more awareness to giving other people, so that they are part of our culture, and they're part of our family.
My name is Shaheen, and we're at the Scope Disability Awareness, and I learned quite a fair bit, what is out there and how to go about it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Faizan Akrami. Today we learned about the different types of disabilities. There are mental and physical. The physical are like people who can't walk and stuff, and for the mental there's people with autism and people who have mental health and stuff. And today we were doing different type of activities to write down and stuff about what we were doing in the interview.
And what we can take away from this is having awareness, not to assume, ask question, not to assume, things that we can take away from this, respect to everyone.
We just want to say thank you to Mohammed and CWTC for giving us the space to run a disability awareness project workshop this morning. Thank you.
It's great to talk to local residents and participants about disability and get their thoughts and try and change their inclusive language and try and transform their attitudes towards disability, and hopefully they can become change makers in their communities.